by and take a look at the 2022 GLC. The Mercedes-Benz GLC sets the bar for the luxury SUV, a midsize SUV that's all lean muscle and has a roomy new cabin full of style and substance. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, electronic stability control, power liftgate, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, privacy glass, illuminated door sills, rear fog light, four-wheel disc brakes. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.